by generations of resilience, unity, and pride with our identity. From the roots of the Kuyamis, the golden coconut, we have flourished into the province that personifies growth and opportunity. This year, 2020, we have bagged several achievements and recognition. And thanks to the good governor of the province of Misamis Oriental, Governor Peter M. Anabia, for all his programs and projects for the tourism. For 12 remarkable years, the Misamis Festival has served as an inspiration of cultural vibrance, a platform where traditions thrive and creativity knows no bounds. From the coast of Lugait to Magsayring Mountains of Claveria, it is a celebration of artistry, a case of talent, and a reminder of the warmth and generosity that make us unique Misamisnan. This year is also we are celebrating 5 years of fruitful festivity. We not only forward with a renewed hope and determination to uphold the commitment to prosperity and unity. This festival is our collective story, one of the triumph, heritage, and the unbreakable spirit of our people. From the colorful parades to the exciting performances, this year's festival will be a celebration of everything we hold to bear. It is celebrations to life. Together, we carry the Misamis Oriental's legacy into the future. Now, ladies and gentlemen,
this is the Kuyamis Festival. On January, join us as we celebrate the indomitable spirit of our province. Experience the grand exceptional voices of young talents at the Voice Kids Misamis Oriental Grand Finals. Feel the excitement all night. A musical extravaganza that will have you singing and dancing all night. Marvel at the beauty and grace of queens from all corners of the province as they vie for the most coveted crown in Miss Kuyamis 2025. Let the rhythm of Kuyamis move you at the Festival Dance Contest, showcasing the richness of our culture and history. The joy in every smile, or the beauty of our sharing of Misamis Oriental through your lens in this year.